Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and thanks for joining. I just finished recording this complete eye look, so if you're interested in everything that's going on right here, please keep watching. If you're interested in how I did my hair in this nice slick low bun, super simple, super easy, and also that will be up right after my eye makeup. So just keep an eye out, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications button, turn all the buttons on so you guys can keep getting notified. I do post frequently as I can. I cannot give you guys exact days because sometimes I do back to back 3 days, and then sometimes I do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or it varies, but for the most part 3 videos a week or more. So hit that bell so you guys can see every tutorial. It's coming up. And yeah, I look, keep watching. Hey guys, so today I was looking through my palettes and I found this one. I believe it came in BoxyCharm, if not Influencer. Oh, do not mind my nails. This hand is perfectly fine, so if you guys want, I'll just hold products on this hand. I tried a new gel polish and it turned out to be, it's so pretty. So I'm glad I found it. I know that if it came in BoxyCharm, you guys probably have it. Most of you guys have it. And yeah, so let's see what I do. I'm gonna start with the color that I know, and it's that brown. That brown is so rich, and I wish I can put it all over my lid all the time. It's so gorgeous, especially for my skin tone. I love it. So I'm going in with a pointed blended brush, blend, that. It's a Morphe M330. And now I haven't decided on which color I'm going to use from the palette, but I do want to, challenge myself and play around with these colors. I might do that olive. That olive is super gorgeous. So I used this brush to kind of pat in and at the same time get that crease that I want. I don't usually go into my crease. My crease is here. I go a little bit higher. So keep that in mind. I am keeping my, and once that color is super rich and brown and looks stupid like that, then I grab a big fluffy one. Oh, like that. And this one is M504. Sorry guys, I don't have my glasses or contacts on right now, so I'm a little blind. And we're just gonna blend that out. Blend it out, blend it up. Keep doing that because I want that effect to follow the crease that I made. So we just keep going. We stack and we blend. Stack and blend. I like the pointed one for this because it gets a lot of product like on the tip of the brush, and I'm able to like point exactly where I want it. And then at the same time you can just rub it in, which you're kind of like blending it a little bit, and then we blend again. I love this brown. I said I was gonna do something fun, and I don't know, it's not turning out too fun. We'll see. We'll see. We're putting this green right on my lid. So directly on the lid with a flat brush. I kind of want to see what I'm working with. I don't know why I never used this palette like that, like for a full tutorial. So pretty. So now that the green's there, I'm gonna go again and darken up that brown because we're not going for basic today. So pretty. For some reason, I just knew that it was gonna... Did I just grab the green and put it where the brown goes. Yes, I did. Yeah, I sure did. Look at that. We enjoy a dark outer V, I guess. Today's that day. You just mess up your makeup and keep going like it never happened. And then when someone points it out, you're just like, I know. Yeah, I was there when it happened. Wanted to go in with this one right here and kind of fill in the blank there. Okay. I'm fine with that. And I'm gonna do this on this eye and I'll be back. I don't know, like I want to, and I'm gonna, because I want to. Let's tap into this blue right here. All right, so I tapped into the blue and now I'm gonna tap into the green, and then we got that. I only tapped a little bit into the green, so it's mostly the blue. I think I'm ready for liner and lashes, and I'll be back to finish up my face. And I definitely gotta do something with this hair, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think I like it. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so I went ahead and mixed these two colors right here. Those two. And I still like to tap into the white and pop the white right in the center. And mix them. Before I had this, I would use my mother's MAC lipsticks and conceal, literally concealer right in the middle of my lips. This trick goes back to high school. Like, I was doing this long before there was, no, I'm not even gonna say how old I am, but from the Wander Beauty palette. And I used this one yesterday or the day before. Anyway. And that's it. Other side. A little bit on the nose and the chin, just a little bit. I don't really dab into the product and then put it on my nose. I kind of just, whatever's left over, I'll just touch up a little bit and sun kiss myself. That's all. We got the brown, we got the green, we got a little bit of silver in the inner corner, and we did the blue underneath. The eyeliner that I use is from this company called Metaluso Love, which will forever hold a place in my heart because they sent me my first PR. This is their dual tip eyeliner, so I use the thick side to make the line and then the thin brush to do the little wing. I find that very handy. And lipstick I showed you guys, blush I showed you, highlight I showed you. That's it. If you'd like to see anything else or you have any questions or I missed anything, please don't hesitate to drop it down in the comments below. And I'll be back with my hair done.